Hello guys, welcome once again to this YouTube channel CoreX TV, and on today's video we're going to be interacting on an airdrop potential seen on Mr. Cat's Twitter page. Now for those of you who don't know, Mr. Cat is one of the most popular and influential airdrop hunter on Twitter, and also the most successful of them all. So as you can see on his Twitter page daily, there are a variety of airdrops that you can interact and be eligible. Now this is our day one of interacting on Mr. Cat's page for 100 days to see if we'll be eligible for major 4 to 5 figures airdrop. Now starting from the first on my list, which is the recent airdrop it dropped, that was yesterday, is the Virtual Protocol, which is an AI agent on the Base network. Now, as you can see, there is no minimum requirement and this does not take time. So Mr. Cat actually interacted with this airdrop that was last week, whereby he spent about $100 worth of a Base Ethereum. And as you can see, today he came by, yesterday he was informing us that he was airdropped over $400 worth of tokens by the Base protocol team. So on day one of we interacting with the airdrops he dropped on his page, I'll be taking you through this. So let's go. So the first thing we're going to be doing is going to visit the app, the website, so that we'll connect our wallet and see how it is. So the things we are all going to do is just to connect wallet, set display name, trade on the virtual platform, and guess what? You're going to need the virtual token first. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. We'll be buying it from the Uniswap DEX page. So as you can see, I've already opened most of this page here. I'll be leaving his Twitter handle and a link to this actual post on his Twitter page for you guys to easily navigate your way. Now remember, if this is your first time on subscribing to this YouTube channel, please do so and leave a comment on the comment section below. So first thing first, I will need you to go over to the Virtual Protocol website, which is app.virtuals.io. This link will be on the description channel below. Now when you go to this website, you see the page and you see what they're actually doing there. Now Virtual Protocol, like I said, is an AI and also a metaverse platform that enables you to create token. And if you have already created one, you can also launch it on the Virtual Protocol page. Now as you can see, these are the list of tokens that have been created on the Virtual Protocol, and you see the prices, their market cap. This is $48 million. You see the percentage increase and everything, the total money locked up. Now remember, what we are doing is just we're trying to buy some tokens to position for future airdrop. Like I said, nothing is promised, but then the crypto space, blockchain rewards those who invest diligently on the blockchain technology. So we'll be buying just 1 to 2 few coins to position, and guess what? The money, the value you spend does not really matter. Just spend a reasonable amount of money. So the first thing you're going to do, as you can see, this is mine. When you create the account, when you visit this page, app.virtuals, you're going to tap on this place and you log in. Yes, you log in. As you can see, I've already logged in into my account. So if I click here, it's me logging out. So when you log in, you have this platform, okay, and they will prompt you to create your username, your display name, wherever you create your display name and you set it. Now when you do that, you will not get your wallet address. This is my wallet address, and you see this Ethereum, then this is the virtual token. Now as you can see, for ease of doing all these things, it's advisable you export your wallet and you import it into a wallet that is close by. Like me, I'm doing mine on a PC. So you can export your wallet and import it into your your Android device, and be careful how you copy your private key. Because if you expose it, you could lose your funds, as you can see. So I'm not gonna do that right now. I don't want to expose mine. Cool. So I've already deposited $10 worth of base Ethereum into this account. As you can see, this is $10.85. So what we're going to be doing first of all is we're going to be buying the virtual protocol token, because that's what we're going to need for interacting with the virtual blockchain. Yeah, so let's dive into it. So when you open the Uniswap page, so let's do this all over again. Let me carry you guys along. Yeah, so I've disconnected this right now. Good. So we're going. So immediately you open your Uniswap website, you click on connect, and you connect the virtual wallet that you have exported. Yeah, you connect it. Like me, I connected mine to my MetaMask account. So once you've connected it, okay, then you come over here, and remember you have already funded it with what? With a virtual, with a what's it called? USDT, not base ETH. Yeah, so when you have done that, you come over here. Let me be sure that we funded the right thing. Okay, yeah, you see we have $10 worth of it here, $10 worth of base ETH here. So I've clicked on it. Good. So as you can see, this is where our $10 base ETH is. So now you will not search for the token we want to buy. So you click on select token, and yeah, you search for what? Virtual protocol. Good, this is it here, virtual protocol. Wait, there are two virtuals here. Hold on, so we don't make mistake. Let's go back to Mr. Cat's page and verify which of them he bought. Okay, the virtual with the with the base network on it. So we'll go back to our Uniswap page and we'll click on this. Yeah, good, I understand. Good. So we'll click on it. Now let's see how many base ETH am I selling. If you click maximum, how many will maximum give us? 4.6 what? It give us 4.6 virtual. So let's go. You click review. Okay, it's loading. You click swap. And remember why we're doing this in the first place, because you cannot purchase anything on the virtual protocol without using the virtual token. So that's why we're doing this. So we've actually swapped 0.002 Ethereum to what? 4.61 virtual token. So let's check and see. So we have our virtual here. So now let's go back to our virtual protocol page and see what we have over there. So when you click on it, you see that on virtual we have 4.6061. So now it's time to purchase a coin. So like our mentor, he purchased, which coin did Mr. Cat purchase? So Mr. Cat purchased Virtu. So we'll be buying Virtu. So let's dive into it. So you click on what the virtual protocol, and we're going to search for Virtu. Instead of wasting your time, just click on VIRTU and you click search. It should load it, but we could still scroll down and yes, this is it, Virtu. So we'll tap on Virtu. Now when you tap on Virtu, it's going to show you the information, the biodata of the coin that you're about to buy. So summary, contribution, validate. Virtu leverages collective intelligence and AI technology. Okay, description, role, Telegram AI agent for the virtual ecosystem mission to foster foster a secured, informed, and welcoming community. And you can see this is the technical analysis of the virtual coin we're about to buy, and it's against virtual. So let's see. We're going to buy just few of it. Yeah, let's see. So one virtual is going to give us 518 watts. One virtual will give us 518 virtual. So I think that is fair enough. No need buying much, or maybe let's just make it 1.1. Yeah, so we're buying 1.1 virtual. Yeah, you click approve and we'll approve the transaction, and that's all. Now, like they said, it's an AI, a Telegram AI, so that is another reason for you to also go to Telegram and process it. So you click on approve and approve the transaction. So we have actually spent $2.95 worth in interacting on this chain. Now remember, there is no reward that is promised. You see, we're all done. No reward is promised, but we are hopeful that in doing this, it will position us for what greater things. Now, holder distribution, they have 2,916 holders, and the highest is this. The developer has just 3% on, and you can see it's on and on. So the virtual AI shows every details about it on the page. So there are so many things we can do on the virtual protocol. So let's go back to the virtual protocol. Now, if you still have some more, you could click on your profile name to see. You can see we have blowed this, which is we now have 2.94 Ethereum base ETH, and we still have 4.6061 watts virtual. I'm sure it's loading. By the time it's done loading, we should see what we have now. But to be sure, let me just click back on it and be sure I've actually bought. Yeah, let's see. Except the transaction did not process, but it should process now. Except it's still loading. I don't know what happened. So okay, you need to buy virtual to buy virtual. Okay, let's see. So we'll be buying this again. Let's see. I don't know what happened, but the other transaction did not process for some reasons. So let's try it again. Confirm swap, waiting for confirmation. Confirm this transaction. Okay, the network fee is 0.09 base ETH. Okay, transaction complete. You're all set. You see transaction complete. Total fees include this. All done. So what could have been the problem the initial time from this? Okay, waiting for confirmation. Oh, processing transaction. Waiting for transaction to be mined. Okay. So yeah, this is the things, everything involved in it. You could also trace the transaction by clicking on view transaction. Now when you do that, okay, transaction hash, this gas fee. Okay, the transaction is still loading, so maybe that's why. Oh, transaction successful, so we are good to go. So let me check it one more time. Yes, success. So we have officially bought what? We officially bought, let's see, from this to this for this. So we officially bought what? 566 what virtual tokens. So now we could go back and check. Yeah, go back and check. It should reflect that. That means we bought it twice. Wow, so as you can see, it's already reflecting here that we bought 566 virtual. So this is all you just need to do to interact with what the virtual token posted on what Mr. Cat's page. Now remember, this page, it will never ask you to donate money to it or anything. We are just here strictly to what guide you on how to what perform most of the airdrops posted on Mr. Cat's page. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to both my YouTube channel and also to Mr. Cat's Twitter page. You can also leave a comment on the section informing him you are coming from Corex TV. Thank you and goodbye.